Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, y'all. I look a tad bit crazy, but that's okay. I'm gonna look crazy today because I'm moving in and I spent all night packing. Right now it is 11 a.m. and I was up packing since 4 a.m. going on 5 a.m. So I don't even know how I'm up right now. I don't even know how I got this energy, but a girl's excited. A girl's excited. A girl's excited. A girl's excited. Why? Because today I'm moving in. I'm gonna go get dressed, get ready, do all that, and then I'm gonna show you how much stuff I have. And I have to pack it into my mother's car. I don't even know how that's gonna work, but we gonna make it work, baby. We gonna make it work. You see me doing it. Packing was hard. I'm not gonna lie. I have a lot of stuff, and I still didn't bring everything that I wanted to bring, but it's cool. It's cool. We out though.
I don't wish you out. When you wait with me, I want you crying. I know it's wrong, but I just gotta be honest. Pick me up.
So y'all, this bin, all of this, these two suitcases. That's what I'm bringing with me. She has the vlogs. She's doing her hair right now. But yeah, I don't know how we gonna make this fit, but we gonna make it work. What I say, y'all, we made it fit. Everything is in here. My mirror, suitcases, clothing, big bin, my shoes, all that fitting in here. Cause my mama got a truck. She got a big old van, she do. She got a big old van, she do. She got a big old van, she do.
Then turn left.
We got us some food, something to grab. We ain't even leave the hood yet.
I get touchy.
We ain't even leave the hood. We in the hood.
You're in the hood.
My neighborhood. That's what the hood is. Cuddy, you just gonna have to wait. Anyway, we ain't even leave the hood.
Trying to eat my fries. I can't eat them plain.
Look at you. What you doing?
I
Eating them plain.
I either eat them with ranch.
All right. What? No, ain't nobody care about your fries. Anyways, you'll never believe what time it is. It's about to touch 4. 4. But you know what? At least we on the way. That's more than nothing. How long we been in the car for?
3 hours. More than 3 hours, I don't know.
Y'all, we finally made it. We're here, but there's no one at the front desk. There's no one here. So now we have to come back at 10 a.m. tomorrow to try again. I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do. I don't know if we're gonna get a hotel. I mean, we could just sleep in a car for real. We're already here, low key. So we're gonna figure that out because, wow, y'all, I'm mad. I could have at least got my key or something. But it's 7:50 right now and they closed at 7 p.m. So we was about 50 minutes late. We probably would have been on time if we didn't have so many detours and misturns and whatever. But you know what? It is what it is. Mama love to the rescue. Ayy, mama love to the rescue. She called a lady. She said, "You're going to let me in that room whether you want to or not." And guess what? She letting us in the room. I mean, I'm not going to get my key till tomorrow. But still, because guess what? Mama love to the rescue. Hey. What I say? So, what are you doing? Okay, so this is what the apartment looks like. These are the other bedrooms, but we don't have access to that. We got a little TV over here. This is my views looking like. You can't really see, so I might show y'all tomorrow. But let me show you guys my room. This kitchen is giving. I like this. I like this. But this is my room. It's so cute.
FaceTime when you wanted to see.
This is my bathroom. Okay. I need to get a shower curtain. Duly noted. This is quiet. This is valid. Just calm, calm, calm. Good morning, YouTube. All right, I just woke up again. I just be recording in the mornings for some reason. But I just looked back at the videos I recorded and I realized I gave y'all a kind of rush tour because I was so tired and I just wanted to unpack, like, get everything over with. By the time I was done unpacking, I mean, it was like 1 something in the morning. But my best friend is gonna come in today. Woo woo. Hey. Yeah, we have to go shopping today for certain things that I'm realizing I don't have, like a shower curtain, like pillows, and the mattress is really hard. So I'm gonna need some type of mattress cover top and something of softness so that my back don't be hurting me every morning when I wake up, because it feels like I went to sleep on the floor. You feel me? Headache. But yeah, we have a long day ahead of us once again. But it's alright. We're gonna be productive today. We're gonna get stuff done. And I'm gonna take y'all with me. Hey y'all, so I just got my key.
Stay on Washington Avenue.
Let me show y'all the key. It's like this black and gray key fob thing right here. And I just got that. I gotta make my little boomerang on Instagram. I'm gonna be like,
Continue straight to stay on Washington Avenue.
You feel me? Yeah, dang. I'm that excited. Right now we gotta go. What are we doing?
In 1,000 feet.
We're gonna get some stuff that I need. Shower curtains, pillows, food, snacks, stuff like that. Just
breakfast.
okay. So I guess we're gonna go eat breakfast,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna do a whole bunch of other stuff. But I just remembered that I need seasoning, cause
And food.
and stuff to cook with. Oof. This is gonna be interesting. We're at IHOP. Say hi to the vlog. So to the vlog. My mama's here, but she don't want to say hi to y'all because she don't like the camera. Anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna order, but I'm glad. Oh, we was driving around the neighborhood, and there's literally everything. They got a Barnes and Noble. They got movie theaters. They got everything.
You reminded me.
Everything.
We should go
Literally.
to a movie theater.
Like, it's just everything spaced out, and I need a car, high key, but I'll be alright for now. So this little girl was over here. Okay. This little girl was over here talking about something. She wants sprinkles, And then she came, and then some guy came and gave her hot chocolate with sprinkles on it. Blessed. She wants to drink her hot chocolate through a straw because it's too hot. So.
It's better than tongue.
You drink it through the straw?
No. From the cup that's better than tongue.
Alright, you want to drink it through the straw though, right?
Yeah. Please don't milk. Okay, didn't milk. I'm tongue burned.
I told you should not drink it through the straw.
You did that? Okay, I have to go. I know you did that. You could use it to start, but I know you know that.
Look at her. Like, she want to learn things the hard way. We're going to keep this in the vlog so she can look at it later in life. Look at them two twinning. Like, okay. Look at this cart, and that's the other one. This is his food. And, like, house supplies. Sheesh. Y'all, look at how much stuff we got. 2 carts. Ooh, geez, living by yourself is expensive. Let's go down. Look at this little system they got for the carts. You just stay on the escalator this way, and the food comes on this side. Dope. Right now we in Dollar Tree. I just need to pick up a couple things for the apartment. Just little stuff. So y'all, we just got back to the apartment. The yellow bin that I had showed you guys before, I'm gonna use that to pack everything in this car because going up and down them amount of flights or whatever is not looking like a go at all. So thankfully I do have the yellow bin. I'm gonna use that, pack all the stuff in there, bring it upstairs, and we out. But y'all, look how much stuff we got. Like, this ain't even it. Like, y'all, come on now.
So they're gonna just take the bags from the grocery store and put it in there.
Are you gonna put the water in?
Look at this place. It's nice. They already started a few before she told me to record. We got a lot of stuff.
My best friend is here. She doesn't want to be recorded. She's running, but she made it. She made it. We're lit. I give you the tour. We got some pizza. We about to eat, relax. You know, we finished cleaning mostly, so we winding down to the end of the day. Say bye to the vlog. Say bye, vlog.
Bye.
Bye, vlog. Catch y'all later.